Hi everyone, hope you're all well, hope you all had a good Christmas. If you want to see what I've been up to, keep on watching. First off, hello, welcome, hope everyone had a really good Christmas. We were all ill in this household. Poor Megan, my youngest, didn't get out of bed for Christmas Day. She was really unwell. We all had, because I'd had COVID and then I got better for a few days and then I got this horrible bug, like flu bug on top. It's just been relentless. And I've still got, it's like that 100-day cough that everyone's talking about. Yeah, and it's just left me absolutely whacked, like totally exhausted. Anyway, just thought I'd show you what I've been up to. So I've done some crochet and I've also bought something completely different to what I normally do. Don't know how it's going to turn out. Anyway, crochet wise, sorry, the lighting in here is terrible as well. I do apologise. It's freezing cold. It's dark and I couldn't be bothered to go down to my summer house and then get my ring light out and film. So you're in my spare room. There's an absolute tip that you can't see down here that I need to clean up. But that's for another day. I just shoved it all out the way. So yeah, the lighting is terrible. So I have just started this cardie for Lily, my granddaughter. I started it 2 days ago. I didn't do any of it yesterday because I was at work, and today I just didn't get up till really late and I had to go and battle Dunelm, which was an experience. So I just started this. I just had some leftover, oh, I got it down here, yarn that I had for a jumper. It's Mariners. Unfortunately, the people that do Mariners, which was, I've forgotten the shop, it's shut down, but it's just a DK, just a bottle green DK that I had left over and I wanted to use it up, so I've got another three balls of it, and yeah, I just wanted to get it used up. So I'm doing her a little cardigan and I'm going to put a white collar on. I don't know if you've seen on my Instagram, I did one similar. I'll stick a picture of it here. I'm doing that but in green basically, and hopefully I can write the pattern up and get it up on my blog so you can all make one yourself. If you want a video tutorial, please let me know. And the other exciting thing that I've done, this is how sad my life is. I have bought something completely different to what I would normally do. So my lovely best friend Julie is really into cross stitch and she does beautiful cross stitch, and she was like, oh, have you tried cross stitch? I think you'd really like it. And she persuaded me to buy a cross stitch kit. So she sent me the link for this website. It is beautiful. Their stuff is absolutely right up my street, and I bought, it's the florist one, it's called Little Buds Florist Cross Stitch Kit, and this came today is Saturday, so I'm gonna cough. So I'm really excited to get started on this. Julie, if you're watching, you're probably gonna get like messages constantly because I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. Caterpillar Cross Stitch do have their own YouTube channel, which I've checked out, and it has got like how-to videos on there, which is amazing. But everyone go and check out their website because it is beautiful and their stuff is absolutely stunning. And I just thought this is just something different to try. So I can't wait to get started. I will show you what I've got. So I've unwrapped it already. It just came with this little card. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for your order and supporting our small business. They are on Facebook, Instagram, and I said YouTube. So that is just a little card. Sorry, excuse my hair, it needs a wash. That came with it. This kit does come with a hoop, and she said to me, choose 14 count Ada, which I've done. I have done a bit of cross stitch years and years and years ago, and I mean a very long time ago, and I was okay at it. Can't remember how to do it at all. But as well as a kit, which I'll show you in a minute, I bought myself a project bag because every girl needs a project bag. So this is an A4 size project bag. Very cute. Little gold zip, boot pop your stuff in there. Job done. Job's a good one, because then I can kind of take it to work and do it on my break. That was my thinking. That's my justification of getting this. I also got, this is adorable. So it's a little, hopefully it'll focus, needle minder. So they are magnetic. Honestly, their stuff is right up my street. So this is the flower one. And it's got like a little magnet on the back. I've used them before in sewing. Oh, I can't get it off, it's quite a strong magnet. So you put one bit there, like so, and then the magnet on the other side, and then you can put your needle on it, and it saves you from losing your needle. They are really, really handy, but I just couldn't stop myself, because it is very me, is this magnet holder. I'm just going to put it back on here because I will lose it. So yeah, there's that. And then the kit that I bought. So it comes with a hoop, 7-inch hoop, 17 centimetres. Was the Little Buds Florist cross stitch kit, and it comes with everything that you need. It is adorable. So it comes with your instructions, printed colour chart, DMC cotton, the fabric, DMC needle, pre-sorted thread holder. It's going to look so cute once it's done. Get creative with this blooming, marvellous, floral themed kit. I love flowers, I love gardening, I love crafting. It's just the perfect thing. So go and check them out. They are a small business. Like I said, I'll leave the link below. It's called Caterpillar Cross Stitch. And like I said, their stuff is just beautiful. So I'm going to give this one a go. They do, I did notice they do a subscription box, and I was like so tempted, but I need to try this first before I jump on the subscription box bandwagon. So I'm going to cough. So I'm going to get this started, hopefully. I don't think I'll be able to do it tomorrow because I'm at work tomorrow, and then Monday I've got my so tomorrow night I have my granddaughter, and Monday. So Monday evening I might be able to start with this. So if anyone's got any cross stitch tips, please let me know in the comment section, because like I said, I haven't done it for years. I can't even remember how to start it. Don't you have to like fold it and find the middle of the fabric, and that's where you start it from? I think that's what I can remember of cross stitch. Anyway, that is what I've been up to. Oh, I'm also bought some yarn today to make a scarf for one of my service users, one of my patients. Another one wants a scarf, so I got just some plain black chunky yarn for that. So I'm going to start that as well. So I hope everyone is well. Hope you're all not suffering from this like awful flu, 2,000 million day cough that we've all got. And that is it for this week, and I will see you all soon. Take care, happy crocheting and happy cross stitching. Bye.